Please check that all accessories are complete. Align side panels C and D with back panel B. Align the top parts without angled bands. Grooves at both ends face downward. Put the side with holes faces outward. Secure with 8L screws. Do not tighten the bottom screw yet. First, stand the frame upright. Note the right angle inward bend near the ground. Connect door panel F to side panel. Fix with 8L screws. The middle screw may be difficult for you to screw. You can open the door to screw. Line use 3L-sided car slots and holes. Press down and secure with L-Q screws. Insert base plate from inside the safe. Fix with 4 O screws and L screws. Attach screw M to base plate. Slide partition buckle in horizontally into 4 side car slot. Place partition F on the buckle. Join H with J and I with K. Attach jet cable back panel and side panels. Whether to perform this step, tension screws to fix to wall.